Hey, this is Larry Janesky from Dr. Energy Saver. I'm here in Newtown, Connecticut. I'm in an attic of a colonial home. And up here we have an air handler. We have all the typical air leaks from the house into the attic. We have insulation all over the place. And we have mold on the roof deck. Wow, it's all over the place. Much worse in some areas, a little lighter in other areas. What causes it? Well, what causes it is air leakage into the attic. In the winter, warm, humid air is leaking up into the attic, and that's air that you paid to heat that's escaping out of your house. Now, one thing we know about air is when we cool air by 1 degree, we raise the relative humidity by 2.2%. And so this 70-degree air in the wintertime is coming up into this freezing cold attic, being cooled by 30 or 40 degrees, raising the relative humidity to 100% because the temperature of this roof deck is lower than the dew point of that air-water vapor mix. And we get condensation on the bottom of the roof deck. In fact, you can even see here, these roofing nails that stick through the roof sheathing are rusted. And if you look right under my feet, we see this pattern of black dots on the attic floor. What's that from? Even on top of the duct there, you see? Well, what that's from is these nails up here getting condensation on them and dripping water and the associated rust from those nails down onto the attic floor. And we get wet wood, and we get mold, and eventually we get rot, and we have mold spores in our house, and we have to remediate that mold or no one will buy our house, and that costs a fortune, and we have an unhealthy living environment. So what do you do about it? Well, Dr. Energy Saver, we fix this sort of thing every day. What we have to do is isolate the house from the attic so that we can drastically limit the amount of air that's leaking up into the attic, and so we don't have this warm, humid airstream condensing into water up in your attic. And we do this all the time. If you have mold in your attic, give Dr. Energy Saver a call. We have offices in 38 states. We have 92 dealers in total, and we can help you.